Welcome to the Lithium WorldApp software solution demo. The following two business scenarios demonstrate that integrating surveys into your customer community helps you drive business value. In the first, we show social media marketers and e-commerce professionals how to drive revenue via word-of-mouth product recommendations from your best customers. In the second example, support executives will learn how to envision their customer community as a complete support alternative. Qualitative and quantitative stats will illustrate how well their e-support initiatives perform. Encouraging brand advocates to promote their brand affinity. Jim wants to know how to allocate hard disk space in his Lenovo notebook. In search for a solution, he visits Great Value Electronics community. Jim is intrigued with the first community post because he thinks he can provide an answer to the member's query. Jim enters his solution and posts it to the community. Once posted, Great Value's community asks Jim if he would like to participate in a 30-second survey. Jim accepts the invitation. When asked how likely he would recommend Great Value Electronics to others, Jim replies with a Net Promoter Score of 9. Based on his survey response, Jim receives a second question, asking if he wants to share his good vibes about Great Value Electronics with his social network, via Twitter or Facebook. Jim chooses to share via Facebook. Jim describes his exceptional experience with Great Value Electronics and posts it on his Facebook wall before returning to the community. By endorsing Great Value on his Facebook wall, Jim gives Great Value a word-of-mouth recommendation to 736 friends, all of whom are potential customers and resharers of Jim's endorsement. Customer community as a complete support alternative. John is in the market for a new smartphone with the latest cutting-edge features. In Google, he searches for smartphones with video, GPS, and 4G support, and finds an entry from Elevation Communications community that explains why one particular phone outperforms others. As John begins to leave the community, a question pops up asking if he wants to take a survey. John accepts the invitation. He quickly answers the survey questions and then returns to the community. Mary is Elevation Communications analyst in charge of conducting the survey. She can immediately see how responses impact the overall customer satisfaction scores. Customer satisfaction is an essential element in the calculation of the overall support value of Elevation's community. The percentage of visitors that have had their problem solved tells Mary how effective the community has been in serving customers' needs. This percentage also lets Mary calculate how many cases have been handled, which in turn determines the value that the community is generating for Mary's support initiatives. In addition, based on the customer satisfaction score derived from the survey, Mary can add a metric for customer happiness to her community's support dashboard. This allows her to compare customer happiness between the community support channel and Elevation Communications overall. The Lithium WorldApp software solution integrates surveys into your customer community to achieve the following. Drive revenue via customer product recommendations. Utilize the community as a complete customer support alternative. And optimize e-support initiatives through examination of performance stats. The Lithium WorldApp software solution is the best way to optimize interactions with your social customers.